Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, October 24th, 2017. We have a lot to talk about today. We have strong to severe thunderstorms that are a threat for this afternoon and evening. We have windy conditions in place. And also, we're going to have a look at our Halloween forecast that is on the way by next Tuesday. So, what do we have dealing with today? Well, currently it is rather warm out there, and it's been warm throughout the morning, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s. These temperatures are not going to be moving all that much for the rest of the day, with periods of showers and thunderstorms capable of some very heavy downpours. Now, the cold front is currently, and you pretty much clearly see it with the temperatures, is right in central Pennsylvania. This cold front is going to be moving very, very slowly. So we're going to be dealing with this rather humid, raw, damp air mass throughout the day today. But we will see some cooler weather conditions by tomorrow, but a continuation of the threat for those showers and thunderstorms. Now, currently we have a line of thunderstorms here over eastern Pennsylvania from basically Scranton all the way down to Philadelphia, slowly inching its way towards New Jersey and heading towards the New York City metro. This is not going to be the last line. We're going to have several of these thunderstorm lines set up over central Pennsylvania as we move on through the day with the cold front and push to the east. And we're going to see what we call training. That's when showers and thunderstorms move over the same locations for hours on end. And that's going to lead to the potential for some very heavy rainfall. How heavy? Well, depending on where these thunderstorms set up and start to stall out, you're ranging anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain possible for today as these thunderstorms linger. Combine that with the potential for some of these thunderstorms to produce very strong wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and even an extremely isolated tornado. Best chance for that is going to be over the Delaware River Valley for eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. But again, the threat is still present, so we'll keep an eye on that very carefully, especially if some of these smaller cells are lifting to the north. Other than that, well, it's going to be a rather raw day with drizzle, windy conditions, winds coming out of the southeast anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts over 30 miles per hour outside of these thunderstorms. We've already seen gusts as high as 35 miles per hour along the coast. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see our cold front here. Now, don't be fooled by the fact that you're getting these higher cloud tops pushing off the coast. This is actually bad news, because if we get any breaks of sun here over central and eastern Pennsylvania, that's going to cause what we call destabilization in the atmosphere. And if that happens, then you're going to see a rather impressive line of thunderstorms develop and push east. So we're going to be watching that very carefully. What you want, if you don't want severe thunderstorms, is a lot of low clouds. And unfortunately, it looks like we're starting to see some breaks here starting to show up over eastern Pennsylvania. And that's going to be something that we're going to have to keep an eye on as we move on through the morning and afternoon hours. Once this cold front starts to move through the region tonight, it will stall out over the coastal waters for tomorrow and for Thursday morning, with the threat for lingering showers as weak waves of low pressure travel along that frontal boundary. The good news is that the end of the week is going to be dry and also the start of the weekend, but it looks like we're going to be dealing with a coastal storm by the time we get to Sunday into Monday, and that could lead to some very heavy rainfall and windy conditions. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, again, periods of showers and thunderstorms. Some of them may be severe. Temperatures pretty much holding to where they are right now in the upper 60s to lower 70s. For tonight, that cold front will slowly press through and stall out over the coastal waters by tomorrow morning. Look for a continuation of scattered showers, becoming more isolated as you head towards eastern Pennsylvania. Lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, still a threat for scattered showers. Better chances as you head towards the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. And on Thursday, a threat for a few morning showers followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Friday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies and scattered cloud cover. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and lower to mid 60s for highs. On Saturday, high pressure hanging on, but it will start to exit, and that's going to lead to increasing cloud cover. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. On Sunday, this coastal low is going to start to intensify, and when it does, it's going to approach the region, and it's going to produce the potential for some very heavy rainfall by the time we get to Sunday afternoon and evening. Now, the worst conditions are going to be from Sunday night into Monday, with the potential for very heavy rainfall and strong winds. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the lower to mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. On Monday, with that low pressure system basically tracking along the New Jersey coast and up into the St. Lawrence River Valley, will lead to very heavy rainfall in the morning hours, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon and windy conditions. Temperatures on Monday will range from the lower to mid 40s for lows, mid to upper 50s for highs, but those 50s for highs are going to be around the late morning hours, and then temperatures will fall throughout the rest of the day. And on Halloween, Tuesday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies to scattered cloud cover, but much colder than what we've been dealing with. Low temperatures will range from the upper 20s to mid 30s throughout the region. We're talking about mid 30s in Philadelphia and the New Jersey coast by the time we get to the morning on Halloween. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s. So for you trick-or-treaters out there in the evening hours, it'll be dry, a little bit windy too, winds from the southwest and west around 10 to 20 miles per hour. But temperatures will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s and falling as we move on through Halloween. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.